Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. This is Vedika and welcome back to my channel. Everyone loves their children and we want to create a safe environment for them. However, sometimes unknowingly we may harm our baby or we may put them in an unsafe environment which may have a lifelong impact on both the children and the parents. तो आज मैं आपसे ऐसे ही एक और बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पे बात करूंगी जिसको कि हम बहुत लाइटली लेते हैं बट should be paid more attention to. That is shaken baby syndrome. We'll talk all about it. ये क्या होता है, क्यों होता है, how I came across this term, what are the causes, symptoms, risks and everything related to it. But before we begin, if you want to watch more such videos related to parenting, baby care and lifestyle, then please click on the big red box to subscribe and join in. Also, ring the bell so your phone will yell the next time I put up a new video. Alright, so let's get started. So recently मैं एक वीडियो देख रही थी on YouTube about women living in some prison in America and how these women were raising their babies and उनमें से एक inmate was actually accused of killing her 3-month-old baby. उसने अपने साथ हुआ सारा इंसिडेंट बताया एंड दो बीइंग अ मदर टू अनदर 2 चिल्ड्रन हाउ शी लॉस्ट हर बेबी टू शेकन बेबी सिंड्रोम. उसकी स्टोरी सुनकर पता नहीं क्यों बट आई वॉज मूव्ड. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू वॉच इट आई विल पुट अ लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. यू कैन गो एंड चेक आउट दैट वीडियो एज वेल. So I went online and read all about it and what all repercussions it may have in someone's life. Now let's understand what is shaken baby syndrome. It is also known as abusive head trauma, shaken impact syndrome or whiplash shake syndrome. Is when a healthy baby or a toddler suffers a serious brain or neck injury that may have been happened because of forcefully or violently shaking the baby or some physical abuse like hitting the baby against something hard. Such injuries may permanently damage the baby's brain or may even cause death. It can result from as less as 5 seconds of shaking and is more common in children under 2 years of age. However, it can also affect children up to the age of 5. Most cases of shaken baby syndrome occur amongst infants between 6 to 8 months of age because that is the time when the babies tend to cry the most. बेबीज़ का ब्रेन बहुत सॉफ्ट होता है एंड नेक मसल्स बहुत वीक होती हैं. दे ऑल्सो हैव वेरी डेलिकेट ब्लड वेसल्स. सो शेकिंग अ बेबी और अ यंग चाइल्ड may cause their brain to repeatedly hit the inside of the skull. This may also trigger bruising in the brain, bleeding in the brain or swelling in the brain. Other injuries may include broken bones as well as damage to baby's eyes, neck and spine. However, playful interactions with the baby like बच्चे को अपनी गोद में खिलाना या हवा में उछालना या थोड़ा रफ प्ले करना won't cause the symptoms related to shaken baby syndrome. However, such activities are not advised, especially for infants. Instead, these injuries often happen when someone shakes the baby out of frustration or anger, like if a parent or a caregiver is frustrated, angry and upset simply because a baby won't stop crying or the baby can't do something that is expected out of him or her like potty training. चलिए अब बात करते हैं about the risks associated with shaken baby syndrome. Following things may make a parent or a caregiver to forcefully shake a baby and may cause shaken baby syndrome. The first one is unrealistic expectations from the baby, like baby कभी रोए नहीं या baby पूरी रात सोता रहे so as parents की life disturb ना हो. Next is raising a baby as a young parent or a single parent may be frustrating at times. Also, stress related to life, health, family and any other thing can make a person angry. Even patients suffering from postpartum depression may get frustrated. In the past, मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था on postpartum depression जिसमें I've discussed all about it in detail. So please click on the link above and go and check out that video. Domestic violence and unhappy marriage can also be another important risk factor. Additionally, due to alcohol or substance abuse, a parent or caregiver may lose control. Unstable family situations may sometimes cause a parent to lose mind. Other types of depressions or psychological disorders like bipolar or ADHD can be a risk factor. Parent or caregiver who himself or herself suffered from child abuse and person suffering from anger issues can be dangerous and harmful. Also, men are more likely to cause shaken baby syndrome than women. अब ये जानते हैं कि क्या क्या सिम्टम्स एंड साइंस होते हैं टू आइडेंटिफाई शेकन बेबी सिंड्रोम। मोस्टली इसकी इंजरीज लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग होती है एंड परमानेंट ब्रेन डैमेज भी हो सकता है। इन मोस्ट सिवियर केसेस the baby or children may rush to the ER, hospital or a doctor's office being not awake, having seizures or in shock. In less severe cases, a shaken baby may have body tremors, trouble breathing, trouble sucking or swallowing or poor eating, vomiting, seizures, coma, paralysis or discolored or blue looking skin. Even brief shaking of an infant can cause an irreversible brain damage. Many children affected by shaken baby syndrome usually die. Survivors of shaken baby syndrome may require lifelong medical care for conditions such as partial or total blindness, developmental delays, cerebral palsy, speech and learning problems, problems with memory and focus, behavior issues, intellectual disabilities, seizure disorders, hearing loss and weakness or problems moving parts of the body. Parents and caregivers often won't tell that the baby was shaken or hit, so doctors को ये पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि उनको head injury के लिए check करना है. Many signs of abusive head trauma like vomiting or fussiness are very common in other childhood illnesses. So it can be very difficult for the doctor to identify that the baby was harmed. If abusive head trauma or shaken baby syndrome is suspected, a doctor will first do an eye exam to check if there is any bleeding inside the eyes. Order x-rays for all the bones to check for any new or healing breaks or fractures, which usually happens in arms, legs, skull and ribs. Order a CT scan or MRI to look for broken bones in the head, skull fractures or brain swelling or brain bleeding. Shaken baby syndrome को confirm करने से पहले your doctor might also ask for a blood test ताकि he can confirm कि जो बच्चे के symptoms हैं they are not similar to any other condition. Abusive head trauma or shaken baby syndrome is 100% preventable. A key part of prevention is increasing awareness about dangers of shaking a baby. Talk about safe ways of calming a baby like rocking, singing or swaddling. Tell the people who are taking care of your baby not to shake the baby ever. It is easy to become frustrated when you cannot get your child to stop crying. However, crying is a normal behavior in infants and shaking is never the right response. Calling a family member or a friend for support when you feel yourself losing control. This will also give you some time to relieve your stress and relax. New parent education classes may help a parent to understand the dangers of violently shaking a baby and help them to understand how to calm or soothe a crying baby and manage stress. It's important to know that it's okay to put down the baby or a child in a safe place, walk away and take a break. Okay friends, so with this we have come to the end of the video. I believe I have talked everything related to this and this information is helpful for you. अगर आपको ये video informative और अच्छा लगा हो then do give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends and family so as इस topic के बारे में और awareness बढ़े. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Stay safe. Bye for now.